Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you want to have a spa day at home? Then I want to show you this really cool travel pack. So this is from Bella Bear, and this is a really nice pack that could be a gift or it could be for yourself to use at home and treat yourself a little bit. So this comes with 4 different items that are all amazing. So you get trial size of all of these. There is a shampoo, conditioner, foaming salt scrub, and a face mask. So these products are cruelty-free and vegan and contain no parabens, and bonus, they smell amazing. So you feel like you're on a tropical vacation while you're using these products, and your skin and hair is gonna feel awesome. So these little packs are actually resealable, which is great. So you can use them, and if you don't use the whole thing, you can seal it up and save it for later. The shampoo and conditioner leave your hair feeling soft and light and have lots of volume and super clean, and they're just awesome and they smell so good. The salt scrub is amazing too because it leaves your skin feeling so smooth and exfoliated. And then the face mask is really nice to just kind of treat yourself and leave your skin feeling super smooth and moisturized. So if you're looking for a perfect little gift for a friend, or if you want to just treat yourself at home, then this is a perfect little pack from Bella Bear. I would definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.